Now I click on the create button again and then select this engine. In the creation mode, same as circle and arch, two option available here in the creation method, so you can also choose any one option. And in the parameter bar, radius and side option available here. So first I create this engine by click and drag method. A hexagon shape is created. If you want to change the side or radius, go to modify section. Here you can change the radius value, and in case if you want to change the side number, you can increase or decrease from here. In case if you want to apply smoothness on the corner, a option also available here for applying corner radius. So by increasing this value, you can apply smoothness on the corners. Now I zoom out little bit and then delete the shape with the window selection and click again on the create button. Our next shape is a text. We already learned about this shape in the extended primitives, but here you can also create. Parameters are almost same, but extrude option is not available here. Now I click on the modify button and here you can see text related options available here, but extrude related or other parameters are not available here. Now I click again on the create button and next shape is a X shape. So if you click and drag, a double boundary X shape will be created like this. If you go in the modify section, here you can see length and width and a parameter for change the thickness. So you can also use in case if you want to create this type shape. Angle option also available here in case if you want to change the angle. Our next shape is a freehand shape. So by using this, you can create a shape like this. Then go to modify section. If you want to apply some smoothness on this freehand path, you can increase the sampling amount by clicking on these up and down arrow keys. So you can see shape will change or a smoothness will applied on this path. Now I click on the create button again and then choose rectangle. First I talk about the creation method. Creation method are same edge and center method. If I click on the center, a rectangle will be created from the center, and same as if I select edge, a rectangle will be created from the edge. So maximum time we use edge creation mode for creating any rectangle. Now in case if you want to modify something, go to modify section and here you can change the length, width, and in case if you want to apply roundness on the corners, you can apply roundness by using this corner radius parameter. Our next shape is a ellipse and it's similar to a circle, but a oval shape will be created by using this. So you can also use this for creating any oval shape. If I click on the creation mode, two options available here for creating this ellipse, and here you can see in the parameter bar, radius option is not available here. You can apply length and width. If I click on the modify button, here you can increase or decrease length. Click on the create button again and this time I choose donut. It's also similar a circle shape, but two circles are placed like this, so it's a donut shape. Now I click on the modify button and here you can change the radius 1 or radius 2 in case if you want to increase wall thickness. Our next shape is a star, and in the keyboard entries here you can see the parameters radius 1, radius 2 and flit radius 1, flit radius 2. So first I create a star here by simple click and drag method. So first you have to define radius 1 and this mouse is still connected with the shape, so here you have to click again to define radius 2. Now I press right click to exit from the creation mode and then go to modify section. Here you can change the radius 1 amount by click and drag and radius 2. In case if you want to increase or decrease point number, you can define from here. And in case if you want to apply smoothness on the corners, you can use these fillet values. So I increase fillet value here and create a copy here. Suppose I want to apply 3 in radius 1 and same as 3 in radius 2, so a smoothness also applied on this star shape. Now I click our next shape and it's a helix shape. So if you click and hold on a point, first you have to define is radius or circle shape, and then you have to define a height. You can see this in the left viewport. So click here and this tool is still connected with the shape, so you have to click again to define the turn. Now I go to modify section and then set this perspective viewport, so you can see this helix, it look like this. So first I change radius amount by this parameter, and same as I type 4, same as radius 2 also should be 4, and height you can increase or decrease according to your requirement. Here you can increase turn, so you can see this type shape is created. If I decrease height like this and increase turn, so a spring type shape is created. Two radio buttons also available here for changing the turn direction. By default clockwise is applied. In case if you want to apply counterclockwise, you can click on this second radio button, so turn will change. Now I select our next shape, so I click on the create button and next shape is a section. So I click and drag and create a section, so this type shape will be created. In the next section we learned the use of this section. So standard spline shape creation is complete now. In the next video clip we learn about some complex shapes.